Well, hello there, welcome back to the channel, and if you're a new visitor, I'm Jacqueline Marie. In today's video, it's very sunny and warm here in Florida, so we're going to start removing all the Valentine's decor in the porch and decorate the porch for St. Patrick's Day. So let's go ahead and get started. In the past few days, the temperature has been really chilly here in Florida, but today is so beautiful, so that's why we're taking down all this decor from Valentine's and decorating for St. Patrick's Day. I'm going to start taking the wreath and the garlands, and then we're going to clean the door because across the street they're building a new home and it is very dusty. We have a lot of sand in this porch, so we're going to give a quick clean up to this door and then putting all the new decor. Please comment below and let me know how is the weather where you're at. I know some of my friends that live in Massachusetts, they've been swamped with snow and temperatures very low. If you already watched my spring haul video, you know that I only found one clover bush at the Walmart that I was at. But the other day I went to another Walmart and I found additional ones. And also I found smaller picks to make the wreath that I'm going to put on this door. This door was very dirty. I cannot believe that it was so dirty. Look at all the dust that it had. Now we're going to start decorating. I have a few garlands that I had bought before at the Dollar Tree store. So I'm going to hang two of them on the top of the door. Please comment below and let me know if you decorate for St. Patrick's Day. I usually decorate for St. Patrick's Day, but I don't go overboard. I use small touches to make the house look festive. I'm going to hang this other garland also to bring some color variation. Now that the garland is all done, I'm going to show you the very cute wreath that I made. I got this wreath at Michael's and I embellished it with some clover picks from Walmart. I wrapped it with a beautiful bow using a ribbon from Walmart, and I added some Sharon picks that I had from the Dollar Tree store. Moving on with the decor, I have an extra garland that I'm going to put across this bench. On the planter, I changed the pink flowers that I had for Valentine's, and then I put these fern picks that I got at Walmart. Now we're going to go inside and put the gel clings on the window. Before we complete the decorations, I'm going to sweep the floor because there is a lot of sand around. While I was sweeping the floor, I remembered that I had some welcome signs in metal that I had got it at the Christmas tree shops in Massachusetts, so I will be adding them on the planter and at the entrance of the porch. You will see them when we do the complete tour of the decor. So now that everything is all clean and decorated, let's go and take a tour of the porch. My friends, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe because in the next episode we're going to decorate the house for St. Patrick's Day. I'm Jacqueline Marie, and this is the Sea Green Coastal Cottage.